Hey, out there in YouTube land, it's your boy, as they all say on the website. I know it's so cliche when you hear it on YouTube. Hey, it's Full Throttle kind of guy. Thanks for checking back in. Major updates, a lot of progress done. In case you weren't aware, there was a little bit of a snowstorm going on, so between people not having power and stranded at the house and other things. When I work on my car, I work at it at a buddy's house. I don't work on it in my area because the neighbors kind of get in your business and whatnot, and I like to say as friendly as possible. Good side of the law, per se. Anyways, I digress. So, apologies, I was dark for a couple of days and whatnot, or a little bit over a week, but between the weather and whatnot, it's been a bit of a challenge. However, it's going to be worth your while today. So, the car lives. Starts. Everything is working as it should. A little bit of an adventure with fuel line. It was kind of leaking because on this, it needed a different style fitting for the fuel line back there for the log. And when I put it back on, I didn't attach it right. Just some other changes on the car. I have not done a test drive just yet. However, I promise to keep you guys posted and take you along for the first test drive on the car. Battery box is done to spec, and it's got the kill switch. I'm going to go ahead now and drill a hole into the panel over here for a quick access point for the lever, so it's compliant for the track. So a little bit of a traction aid. Gonna need it. The car's a little beefy. In some of the earlier videos, I did duplicolor spatter paint in the trunk. If you're doing it, again, looks amazing, looks super sexy, but as far as durability goes, a bit of a challenge. I'm gonna have to touch this up, and I would recommend maybe doing like an enamel clear coat on it afterwards, or a satin finish. That's why it kind of gives it a little more toughness. Here's what it looks like after messing around in the trunk. So all the black that you're seeing right now, that is from where it actually scuffed and peeled off. It just chipped. So again, it gives a great presentation. I guess so if you're flipping a car and you're getting out of it, it's a great easy fix on the fly. But if you're looking for something for durability, plan on slapping a clear coat on it. Some enhancements that were done: master cylinder, got that bad boy bled and installed. Brand new master cylinder. I do have disc brakes, so as you can see, have not driven it yet. I've got some new wheels I'll be slapping on this bad boy too. But linkage in place, carb, got an electric choke, which oddly enough works. It was pretty much an uneventful first start. Did have to reclock the distributor. It was off a gear. Haven't set the timing, anything like that just yet. We just did it by ear. I'm also part of a smaller group that we share ideas and what. They actually got to see the first She Lives video. But without further ado, I'll go ahead and start this puppy up and we'll see what's up. So, back from the dead. Went from no engine and sitting for just under a year to now big block powered 73 Nova. Got about 5 different things on the short list, so it could be drivable. But all parts that we've got on hand, and we'll get it done. But I will give you guys an update, let you know what's happening, and you can see what's up.